subscribers! Back again with a short introduction of who is Pascaline Alex. Yes, the rise to fame and glimpse of me. Sit down, relax and enjoy.
Just take a little while to be serious, okay? Get that into your medulla oblongata. Make your life a living hell. I will clip your wings.
I got my degree in University of Lasso, and I'm trying to get my mistress degree in others and new private university, you know.
Hey, I've always suspected that man. So he's into robbery. Hey! Hey! Don't they shout. Sorry, what? Wait, so you mean Auntie Susan is a thief?
Don't say that. Don't say that about my mommy.
You say she's not your mommy. Pick one horse. Which one be say my mommy, my mommy?
Can you help me massage my neck, please?
Okay, ma.
Make I tell you something. You know, say you don't come my side very soon. See, make you no carry this your evil deed come my side. I beg you.
Cordelia.
Babe. Did you say something?
No, my shoe is tight and just...
Okay.
You.
Officer Marcus, but who does your pocket beats for? Leave them! Let me tell you people, I know how to speak grammar like you. Yeah! This is Iriji. If you don't like it, one name, Mawado. Now wait till I tell you sis. Now wait till I tell you sis. Mo men this girl. Can you mellow this girl, Ariju? And what about the faithful? In our altar, let's go. Isi ka ekpo trouser kita. Mbo ya makagini. Hey, in boxers. Not you walk naturally.